Welcome to Upcoming Technology. Subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from Upcoming Technology. Welcome to everyone. So today the topic is Neuralink. In this video we will give you a deep knowledge about what is Neuralink. How does a Neuralink work? How will Neuralink be installed and so on. So stay with us, very interesting topic, so watch the video till end. What is Neuralink? Neuralink is a device that will be surgically implanted into your brain, and with it you will be able to communicate with machines and even control them. Neuralink Corporation is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk and others, developing implantable brain-machine interfaces (BMIs). The company's headquarters is in San Francisco. It was started in 2016 and was first publicly reported in March 2017. Since the company has hired several high-profile neuroscientists from various universities. According to Elon Musk, the team is introducing the technology by the end of 2020, although human trials have not yet started. With Neuralink, a chipset called N1 chipset will be installed in your skull, which is 8 mm in diameter and has multiple wire housing electrodes and insulation. Max Hodak, the president of Neuralink company, says that you can place more than one device to target different sections of your brain. How does a Neuralink work? In order to understand how Neuralink works, you must understand that your brain sends information to different parts of the body using neurons. These neurons in your brain connect with each other to form a large network and communicate using chemical signals called neurotransmitters. This reaction generates an electric field, and you can record these reactions by placing electrodes nearby. These electrodes can then understand the electrical signals in your brain and translate them into an algorithm that a machine can read. This way, Neuralink will be able to read what you are thinking and find a way for you to talk to machines without even opening your mouth. The goal of the N1 chip is to record and stimulate electrical spikes into your brain. You will also be able to learn different skills using a dedicated app. Main features. Number 1. Link. Link is the seed implanted device that processes, stimulates, and transmits neural signals. Number 2. Neural threads. Each small and flexible threads contain many electrodes for detecting neural signals. Number 3. Charger. Compact inductive charger wirelessly connects to the implant to charge the battery from outside. Number 4. Neuralink application. They will provide a dedicated app to learn skills. At the moment, it is not clear whether Bluetooth or some other form of technology will be used to relay the data, but it is certain that process is going to be wireless. How will Neuralink be installed? Musk said that the procedure is complex and beyond the capabilities of even skilled human hands. Neurosurgery. The neural threads on the link are so fine and flexible that they can't be inserted by the human hand. Instead, they are building a robotic system that the neurosurgeon can use to reliably and efficiently insert these threads exactly where they need to be. These neural threads will be surgically placed inside your brain using a robot. As per the company, the thread is as thick as the neurons in your brain. The robot has been designed to ensure that the device is inserted to the brain without touching any veins or arteries. Each electrode will be inserted specifically bypassing any kind of blood vessel. The company said it will work in accordance with the regulations by the health ministries while carrying out the operation to ensure it is safe. As per the company, there could be 10,000 electrodes inserted into the brain. The operation will require a 2 mm incision in your skull. The installation procedure could take up to 2 hours according to Musk, and the person could also be under partial anesthesia during the process. How can Neuralink be used? The company said that the initial phase of the project will focus on helping the healthcare industry. The machine will be able to help paraplegics with simple tasks like operating a phone or interacting with a computer. It may also be used to treat epilepsy. In an interview, Elon Musk said that the device will also be able to help regain someone's eyesight even if they have lost their optic nerve. He said that this technology in future will be able to fix anything wrong with the brain. The company will explore more use cases when the technology is deployed, but initially the focus will be to make sure the technology interacts seamlessly with devices. Goal. The initial goal of our technology will be to help people with paralysis to regain independence through the control of computers and mobile devices. Neuralink devices are designed to give people the ability to communicate more easily through text or speech synthesis, to follow their curiosity on the web, or to express their creativity through photo. Neuralink can also be used to restore memory, speech, and movement of a paralyzed person. Testing. The testing of Neuralink was done on birds, pigs, and monkeys. And the latest testing is on monkey, which is playing the game as you are watching on the screen.